Okay, this is just a short video to show you how to set up and use OpenColorIO in Affinity Photo. So before we get started, we need an OpenColorIO configuration. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, I've just gone straight to the OpenColorIO website and grabbed the sample OCIO configurations here. So whether you grab these or you grab some other configurations from somewhere, you'll need to unzip them somewhere. So with the files then extracted to a directory, what we need to do is go up to Preferences here, and under Color Profiles, you'll see we have two options here for an OpenColorIO configuration file and a search folder. So we'll pick the configuration file first, just go to Select, and I'm just going to navigate to the folder where I extracted the configuration. I'm going to go for ACES 101, and there's our config.ocio file which we need, so we just click open. Then, because of sandboxing, we need to grant the app access to the actual directory as well, so all we need to do is click select, and it will have automatically picked the folder we chose the config file from. So all we need to do here is click OK. Then at this point we need to restart the app, so we'll be prompted to do that when we click close. We'll just choose Restart Now. Okay. So when we restart the app, we'll have the Preferences window up, and as we can see here, we've got a valid OpenColorIO configuration. So then we've got an option down here, Perform OCIO conversions based on file name. So if you remember, I had an image open at the very beginning of this video, which I will now go back and find. Now notice here it has an affix of ACES-CG, which is the color space it was captured in. Now when you load OpenEXR documents, Photo automatically converts them to scene linear upon load. So with OpenColorIO configured, if you have a valid color space as the affix, it will know which color space to convert from. So if I now open this file with OCIO configured, I'll get a little message here to tell me that it's converted from ACES-CG to scene linear. And you should also notice it looks remarkably different compared to when I had it open earlier. So now OpenColorIO's functionality is exposed through Photo in two distinct ways. The first is via an OCIO adjustment, but we're actually going to cover that in a separate video in some more detail. It basically allows you to move between color spaces within your layer stack. So I'll just delete that for now. But in terms of color management, what we've got is, if we go to View and Studio, we've got a 32-bit preview panel that we can expose. So I'll just click drag that out here so we can see what we're doing. Now, because we've got a valid OpenColorIO configuration, it's automatically chosen for us an OCIO display transform. If we didn't have OpenColorIO configured, we'd be using an ICC display transform. And this is how the image looked at the start of the video. So we can go ahead and use the OCIO display transform using a number of different profiles. So these, of course, will be dependent on your own display and what you've profiled it for. So there we go, really. In a nutshell, that's how you set up OpenColorIO within Affinity Photo. Hope you found that helpful, and if you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to ask on the Affinity forums, and don't forget to check out the other video tutorials. Thank you for watching.